Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can highlight a certain time period in an Excel line chart. The period you want to highlight could be a recession, like in this example, a war, or really any other period that you're interested in. To see how this works, let's jump right into an example. Here's a basic line chart that you've probably created many times in Excel. It shows US real GDP growth data between 2007 and 2012. The data is here in columns A and B. Now, what if you wanted to create a shaded area in this line chart that highlights the recession during this period based on the classification that we have here in column E? To do this, I think it's easiest to create a new chart from scratch. For our chart, we need to specify the shaded area that we want to highlight in two additional columns. I've already created them here in columns C and D. The values here in red and bold are based on the range of your existing data. For example, here in the chart we see that our data goes from about 4 to -5. Therefore, you simply input the upper bound of the y-axis in one column and the lower bound in the other column. If your data has a different scale, for example from 100 to -100, you simply have to adjust these values here. All other periods or cells here in this chart that don't cover the recessionary period that you want to highlight can simply stay blank. With that, we have all the building blocks for our chart. Now we can simply select the chart data in columns A to D, then go to the Insert tab in Excel, then here under the chart area, select Create Custom Combo Chart. You will see a new menu popping up where we have to change the chart types of the three series that we see here. So first, for the main series, we select line chart, and for the other two series, select area chart. Then click OK. And now we're almost done and have only to make a few formatting changes. First, I will change the color of the shaded area to a lighter one. You can do this by simply clicking on the shaded area and then under Fill, select a light gray. Do the same thing for the area below. And then second, I will change the range of the y-axis so that our shaded area covers the entire chart range. Simply click on the y-axis, select Format Axis, and then here under Bounds, change it to -5 and 4. And the last change we need to make is to remove the duplicate legend entries that we see here by simply clicking on the legend and then on the individual legend title that you want to remove and press delete. Now we're basically done. Once we have set up the chart, it's also very easy to highlight other time periods. To do that, simply copy the red values in columns C and D, paste them to another time period.